Welcome. If you're using Telegram on your PC and want to change the microphone for a scheduled channel video chat with the new update, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the steps to make this quick adjustment so your audio comes through crystal clear. First, open your Telegram app on your computer. Once you're inside, navigate to the channel where you have the scheduled video chat. Channels usually have that live or scheduled video chat feature, if you're an admin or a member with the right permissions. Next, open the scheduled video chat itself. You'll see the ongoing or upcoming video chat interface connected to that channel. Now, look for the three dots icon. This is your menu button. Click on those three dots to reveal more options, then select Settings from the menu. In the Settings panel, you will find an option labeled Microphone. Click right next to it, and a drop-down list will appear showing all the microphones connected to or recognized by your PC. From this list, simply choose the microphone you want to use for the video chat. Whether it's your headset mic, built-in laptop mic, or an external USB mic, select the one that fits your needs best. Once selected, close the settings, and your new microphone will be set for that scheduled video chat on Telegram. That's it. Changing your microphone for scheduled channel video chats on Telegram is straightforward and helps ensure your voice is clear, whether you're hosting a meeting, streaming, or connecting with your audience. Just open your channel, access the scheduled video chat, adjust your mic from the three-dot menu under Settings, and you're all set. Give it a try next time you schedule a video chat and enjoy seamless communication on Telegram. Thanks for watching.